back.
Yo, 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 yo.
We back again. Yeah, welcome back to another episode of The Path We Take. And you know what time it is, Jeffrey and
Herby, or LB.
LB.
In French.
In French. You know, French is a beautiful language, bro.
Yeah.
I went to this event yesterday. It's like veterans meetup kind of event because it was at a bar. Military always doing shit at the bar. So the bartender was like, I think she said something like, we. I was like, oh, we. I was like, hey, comment t'appelles-tu?
Right.
She was like, oh, that's beautiful. I don't know what you're saying, but it sounds good. And I'm like, I don't even speak French.
Yeah.
That's all I could say.
Mm.
But she was like, you know, French is a romantic language. Can you speak it to me? I was like, nah. I cannot speak French.
Yeah. My French is not what it used to be, huh?
Nope, not at all. Today, I have another Moon Blanc Chronicle for you.
Okay.
Remember I said, previous episode, I said there's a radio station. It's called Jubo in Brooks in the morning. They have this Awkward Tuesday or second date, right? The guy, he called the radio station to tell him, hey, I went on a date with this girl. She's not calling me back. You have to put the phone number for the person who's ghosting you, right? And another guy call, say the same thing. The girl is ghosting them. So guess what? The radio station got both of them on the line to call the girl. They called the girl, and when she got on the phone, she's like, oh yeah, I remember going on a date with that person. She was like, yeah, I do it all the time. I have a blog that I'm writing about relationships.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I have a blog.
Okay.
You should check it out. All casually. You should check it out.
Wow, okay. So
Then,
it's just business.
Yeah. At the end, they will ask you, are you willing to go on a second date again? And the radio station said, we will pay for it. One of the guys was like, I pass. When he passed, they went to the next guy. He was like, you know how I feel about you. I'll definitely go. He started being emotional. She was like, nah, I changed my mind. I don't want to go with him because that's not what I'm about. And when she changed her mind, the radio station was like, well, someone's going to go on a date.
Why not, right? Free
Why not?
food, yeah?
We'll pay for it. That's what they say. We'll pay for it. I remember dating back in the days, man. There was this girl, went to her house. While I was at the house, someone was coming in. I went and hid underneath the bed, ended up being under the bed for 2 hours.
Okay.
So I wonder if anyone else, if that ever happened to you.
But like her parents or something? Or?
I don't know who it was.
Okay.
I just went and hid underneath the bed. Come on, I'm Haitian.
Yeah.
They're Haitian parents.
But here's a crazy thing. Here's a crazy thing that I heard. Now that you're talking about dating and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Did not know about this. I'm hearing there are these girls, right? What they do is it's kind of like a business for them. So what they do is they would take a guy on a date. When somebody asks him to go on a date, they'll say yes, of course.
Yeah.
And they would go on a date to a place that they have a deal with. So for example, the girl has a deal with that restaurant, right? So she can bring in her date there, and then what she's going to do is she's gonna order the most expensive stuff.
She get a commission.
So she's gonna buy all the crazy stuff. Man. Like the guy does not know this. The guy thinks he's in. He thinks we're just on a date. We're vibing or whatever, so she can get whatever she wants. And now she's buying all the expensive stuff. Yeah. Because she gets a cut. Out of it after the date. That's what she does. That's her business. So she would just be dating guys and bring them to the restaurant and buy all this stuff.
What if the guy said, I don't want to go to that restaurant, but she must have another restaurant?
Well, here's the thing. Think of it this way. The guy's happy enough. She said yes.
Okay.
If you're talking to, you know what I mean? Like if you're talking to the girl, you're just happy she said yes. So you're not really going to be so picky. Yeah. In terms of where I just learned that I forgot where I saw it on social media. You know how social media is. There's so much stuff on there.
Oh yeah.
And I'm like, oh man, that is
good thing we're not in the market for dating.
I'm like, damn, that is crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, so she was this is how she made her money. And,
There's another one where this guy took this girl on a date. A couple of them actually I saw. He took this girl out on a date. Next thing you know, her friend just joined in. Just eating.
Yeah.
Eating. Then they wanted him to pay for it.
Yeah, I saw something like that. Yeah.
He was like, no. Me, I would have paid my portion and just bounce.
Yeah.
Hey.
They want you to pay, man.
Fuck around and find out. That's just me. There was another one where I think it was a birthday. The husband was there with his wife and the birthday girl, and there was other friends there.
Yeah, and she wanted him to pay for.
You need to be the man. No, I'm paying for the birthday girl and my wife. I'm out.
Wow.
Goodbye.
I don't know. Let's see how people feel about this. I'm sure people will have this, especially the ladies might think differently.
Yeah, of course. But there are ladies as well who's people's like, it doesn't have to be something expensive. It doesn't have to be something 10-star restaurant or whatever. They just happy to be sharing the
Yeah, just
dinner
having
with
fun.
someone. Yeah, having
Yeah,
fun.
yeah.
Enjoy it. There are people out there like that.
Absolutely.
Dating apps.
Those days.
Those days and those dating apps. I mean,
But nowadays though, it's so different because back then not so much social media, like not so much texting, not so, like everything had to be done in real time,
Yeah.
that face to face,
Correct.
right? But nowadays you learn so much about the person even before you meet them.
MySpace days.
MySpace. I wonder if my MySpace page is still up.
It's still up.
The young ones won't know what MySpace.
They will not know. Even Facebook is for the older crowd now.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and MySpace still exists.
It does?
Yeah, it still has contents and
if I go on MySpace.com, it's still there.
Still there. But
because it was sold to, I think Justin Timberlake had it at one time.
Okay.
They turned it into a music thing. That didn't work out. I don't know what it is now.
It's still the same. They still have where you have the personal profile and the music profile. Because I remember that's how it was. I think it's still the same.
My profile is not there. I don't think so.
I try to log on mine, but I don't remember But I used to go just give me the address.
MySpace.
Put that junk on a MapQuest. I'll meet you there.
Yeah. MySpace.
Yeah.
Jesus. MySpace was nice.
MySpace, Black Planet.
Yeah. But MySpace was my favorite though. It's a different world, man. Now we got the TikTok. TikTok is killing everybody.
What's that Haitian guy who's on TikTok now? What's his name? The one with the gap.
Oh, Fantou Dedans.
Yeah, fuck tout dedans. He's a
Fantou Dedans. He's a funny guy.
James
Bozos.
Oh, he a funny dude.
He is really funny.
He is a funny dude.
I've watched his stuff. As soon as I saw his videos, I was laughing.
Yeah.
And if you're Haitian, maybe you know
him.
Seen him.
Yeah.
He's new. He's coming out.
I tell him we talking about him on the podcast.
Yeah, he's very funny. I'm trying to see if I can get him on. Try to talk to him a little bit.
I got so many questions for him. I'm gonna ask him because you know me. I'm gonna ask him the real questions.
Yeah,
you know?
He's really funny, man.
Yeah.
I'm hoping I can give him a call and see if we can talk about
man.
Next Jeremy, because he's got this issue with people from Jeremy.
Steph is doing the same thing. She have a list of next Jeremy.
Oh, I like Steph too.
Yeah,
Steph is really funny.
She look good too.
She's really she's really funny.
And she's classy with it.
Yeah.
Funny.
But you have to say Steph. What's her name? So people.
Steph Elegant.
Yeah, Steph Elegant.
Steph Elegant.
Yeah.
That's her name.
She is really funny.
Yeah, she is very funny. What she does, she talk about people. She talk about like she have a list of like, yo, don't deal with these dudes.
Yeah, and she does it in a funny way.
Playing music in the background. And I wrote a comment. I was like, don't not ever let me see a video of you and a dude. They put it out. Because I'm gonna talk about you.
But here's the thing. I think some people are taking it too serious. I think there's some people that are taking it too seriously and they're trying to report her page and do all kinds of crazy nonsense. It's all fun. I don't know.
Why? Okay.
It's all fun. I thought everybody would be.
Go report a white supremacist page or something.
So she's really funny. There's a couple people on TikTok, man, who are really funny. And these guys are like, they're funny without trying to be funny.
Yeah.
You understand?
They're being themselves.
Yeah, man. There's another one that I watch. It's Ralph.
Is it Ralph?
His name is Ralph. I forgot his Ralph.
Benny is another one.
Bensi.
It's Benny O. Haitian dude from Rhode Island.
Okay, on TikTok.
All he does is stand there. He's on TikTok, Instagram.
Okay.
All he does. For example, if you go to like a store, these people are doing like videos and things. He put himself in the background, kind of like a green screen. Can I get my food?
Yeah.
Doing all this shit. He's funny.
There's a bunch of funny Haitian TikTokers, man. I'm telling you, they make the time go by fast, no stress.
Nope.
This Ralph guy that I'm telling you about, he's really good.
Okay.
He's really good. I'll tell you what he does.
Okay.
He does what is called the Fulai show.
Fulai show.
Okon Fulai. You know Fulai.
Explain it to me.
You've never heard of Fulai? Then you're not a real Haitian. Hold on. Fulai. If I can tell it, like you never heard people say, what fait Fulai? What by Fulai?
Dog, I came here before you.
I know. So Fulai, it's like you're faking. It's not real. You're lying. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
Now you came back to
also Fulai, right?
Yeah.
Like he does what he called the Fulai show. And what he does is he has all these girls. Like every time in every show, he's talking to a girl. Every girl is his wife.
Yeah.
He's married to every single one.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But it's usually because he speaks like 3 different languages, maybe
Okay.
even 4. Like
Probably,
Spanish, French, Creole.
Okay. Yeah.
So what he would do is he would have 3 different women, all from different languages, right? They all speak different languages. So I have one Haitian who speaks Creole, one who speaks English, and one who speaks Spanish. And he's talking to all of them.
Those languages
In
without.
those languages, so none of them understand what he's saying. But
Oh, interesting.
he's macking to all 3.
What?
It's almost like he's asking all 3 of them to let's get married or whatever. He's macking to all 3
In a
but they
different
don't get
language.
it.
They don't know.
They don't get it. Yeah. So it's a show. It's not real, obviously, but it's really entertaining.
Okay.